Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how you can increase maximum upload size on your WordPress website. So if you go into media and add new media, here you can see maximum upload file size is 100 megabyte. We'll increase it to up to 5 GB. So let's get started. So first of all, you need to go on to plugins and add new plugin. Search for increase maximum upload file size. And hit enter. Here you can see increase maximum upload file size by Code Popular. So you just need to install it. And then activate it. Click on activate. So the plugin has activated. I'll just double check if it's there. So my plugin is there. So we'll just go on to increase upload limit. So if you hover the mouse to media and then increase upload limit, and it has selected already 4 GB, so you can select up to 5 gigabyte. So I'll leave it to 4 GB, and maximum execution time is 300. I'll leave as it is and click on save changes. Now if you go into add media file, and maximum upload file size is 4 GB, then you can select file, say go into downloads, any zip file, it's uploaded. I hope you find this video helpful. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. Thank you.